We have taken our pot that we're going to be firing here pretty quick. We've put an underglaze on it here in the front and on the top. Now I've inverted it for the purpose of waxing the bottom. By waxing the bottom of a pot, what we're doing is applying a resist to certain portions of the piece that we're working with, so that when we dip the piece into the glaze, which we are going to do, that particular part will have the glaze completely wash off and be away from it. So we're going to just simply apply a liberal amount of wax to where we don't want any glaze. And what this will allow us to do is set the piece in the kiln without worrying about putting it on stilts and stuff like that. And we try to keep it, you know, relatively even so that the wax doesn't show too high on the bottom of the piece, and so that if the glaze does run, it doesn't get too low on the bottom of the piece. Okay, and that's kind of what you got when you wax it. And you'll notice I'll kind of tip it around here. I'm trying to see that the wax or the glaze doesn't go down beyond too far. Okay,